Alright.
I'm gonna tell you distraction.
Hello everybody, this is the runner and I am with a friend and his
That's
brother.
Thank you very much.
Alright, so we're doing a little ship battle.
First time in a video. This is gonna be fun. We're doing space engineers
Space engineers, yeah. Wait, hold on, I need to turn off my
with our spaceships and our space rockets and space stuff.
like space everything.
Space.
Stupid oh, there's my beacon. There.
Oh, you finally turned that off? You know, your bright blue shit really stands out in the grayness.
Oh yeah, I know.
This game is very gray.
So did you make yours to blend in them?
No, I just don't know how to color.
My beacon's off, right?
If I sound like I'm talking to myself, it's actually I have a buddy right next door, Hawes. He makes suggestions. Where'd you go? Okay. So are you ready to begin?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's do this.
Starting now. You shot! Hey! Don't
What?
shoot me.
Oh, you saw those rockets?
I saw them rockets.
Oh, I was just testing my shots. My apologies. Good
Yeah,
overshoot.
Yeah.
Holy crap!
Oh, did I hit you already?
No, that was close though. Alright. Oh shit.
Oh, did I turn on my turret? I'm not sure.
Here we go.
Crap. Oh, now I'm gonna hit you. Oh, now I healed them.
Oh, here we go.
Oh! My ship! We're putting holes in my ship!
You're being destroyed. I don't even know who's winning. I can't even see the screen. Who's winning?
Ah! I got so many red dots in here.
I'm standing up pretty much. Oh shoot.
My whole right wing is just being decimated. Ooh.
Alright. Time to go belly up. Or I mean, back down.
You still alive?
Yeah. Yeah, to aim for your cockpit. Chase situation.
Oh, I got your rear. Oh, I see your engines. You turned your rear to me. I have you now.
No, you don't.
Oh, well, oh, no, I'm still alive. No, some weird lag. No! Oh, got me.
Did I get you?
You got me. I'm dead. Ugh.
Are you sure?
Dead. I'm dead. Stop putting holes in my ship.
Okay, I'm turning them off.
Dang, I should probably... Where did I hit you? How badly? Stop moving. Stop moving.
It's stopping right now. It's stopping. My ship isn't designed to stop on a dime.
I'm gonna check out your ship.
So
You go
basically,
check out mine.
wow, you put so many holes in my right engine.
Yeah. How did you hit me? I didn't think you had any turrets in the rear.
Oh, I need to go to your ship. I almost thought I was gonna rip your ship and like tear a wing off. That would have been so.
Oh, I did so little damage. Oh, that's why you have heavy armor. Ah. Okay, new rule. Next time, no heavy armor.
I know. I was gonna design it to have like certain spots with no heavy armor, but I needed to do a quick build.
I did jack shit. I dented. Is all I did.
You exposed my engines.
I wiped your engines, but
Oh.
I won't say that heavy armor is good. I will say that.
Heavy armor is sluggish.
Oh, you know, I was targeting the little tip at the end of your ship, thinking of the cockpit. I forgot your cockpit was in the middle of your ship, so I was aiming for the entirely wrong spot. However,
the front part is the ramming. Where's my ship?
Which
oh,
one?
There it is.
Here's just a bright blue one.
I have a different skybox.
Oh, if I had taken out your reactor, maybe I still would have.
Yeah,
Your
wow.
reactors are exposed. I took out your engines.
I know.
So there goes your forward momentum.
Actually, I still have 4 large engines left.
That's still not that much. Oh, I almost killed your turrets.
Yeah, you annihilated one of my. Wow, you just put a hole through my right engine.
Yeah. You wanna go round 2?
Round 2?
Okay, hold on.
Let's do round 2.
Okay.
Alright, stand by, people.
Ladies and gentlemen, to round 2.
Round 2.
Starting now.
Oh, okay. Oh wait, I better. God dang it, I can't turn fast enough. Okay.
Just saving. I probably should have turned off autosave. I see your old wreckage. Oh, I didn't turn off my crap.
Oh shoot. You know what, screw it. I can still see you. Oh my god, I saw that. Why are they all parked? What? How did that?
Oh, the game is going so slow. Oh, it's tearing into your engines. Oh, the magnificence of it. Oh, you freaking got me. I'm dead. Ah.
Did I get you that fast?
I think what happened was my rockets exploded.
Again.
That tends to happen for some reason. I think I should have... Yeah, that appears to be it. My rockets exploded.
Well, the thing...
They're not there. All of them exploded.
I just lost you.
Oh, I have my inertia dampers off. That's probably why. I have turrets, but no rockets. So...
Okay, let's keep fighting then. You know where I am, so I don't know where you are.
Oh yeah, but my cockpit's blown to bits.
You still have like 4 more of them. I only have 1.
You only have one.
But you did melt like one of my turrets out because all of your turrets were aiming for my turret.
Yeah, I wasn't close enough last time, or I think I had them off.
Is that you to my left?
Dun 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 dun.
Yep, that's you are to my left. Time to take out the trash.
Where
are you targeting?
I think they're targeting your engine.
Yep, they are.
I think you're going slightly faster than me somehow.
1 second. Something's going on with my turrets. They're not targeting objects.
How are you getting further away? That's my real.
My inertia dampeners are off. Right. I don't know what's going on.
Dun 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 dun.
Okay. Back to round 2. There we go.
Ow, 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 oh my god. Ow, 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 ow.
I kind of put my turret on. What's going on?
You were clipping my wing!
Let's finish this. I think I hit my gyroscope.
How did I hit your gyroscope?
Oh,
Why?
my inertia dampers were off.
You know, my turrets are shooting my gyros that you knocked off my ship.
I'm gonna finish you off here now.
The real question is, which cockpit am I in?
I don't know.
You're going to die. Arrgh!
Oh, I better actually. I'm gonna pierce you. Nope. Up. Come on.
Ah!
Yeah.
Kamikaze in real slow motion. No!
Pierce your freaking ship in half.
You got me.
Oh, that was
I need to boost the Goldie. There are virgin ears in the room.
I think
You got me.
disabled too,
You
my
got me.
goodness.
I can't even get out of my ship. Oh, my gravity works just fine.
Did your inertia dampeners get disabled?
Yes. I turned them off to try and counter it.
Oh my god. My inertia
Slow
dampeners.
down, slow down. You're like, stop moving.
What?
You're I'm trying to fly towards you. There we go. Yeah. Now I'm getting closer.
I don't see you.
I'm not in my ship.
Well, your ship just. Oh, I can still see it.
You just slow to a halt.
Uh-oh.
No, you're shooting me! Ow. That missile hit me head on.
Sorry.
Okay, so let's see. Oh my gosh, I wiped out your broadside.
No, that was me. I think. Wait, did you counter my rockets?
I guess so.
Yeah, you
My
kind of blown up.
for once. They weren't working last round.
Yeah,
I keep wiping out your engines.
my right side suffered again.
Your right side front engine is just gone. There's hardly anything left.
Yeah, I know. I see it.
The rear's fine this time. I didn't get a reverse on you.
Hey.
Oh, I got close.
Where?
What?
Is that another ship over? Yep, I found where we are. Excuse me, I gotta do a barrel roll and turn. Excuse me. Don't mind if I.
Did I kill one of your turrets? I think I killed one of your turrets.
No, you didn't. One of my rocket turrets shot his own guy.
Oh, why'd you turn off the gravity?
I didn't turn off. Did you hit my gravity?
The front end of your ship doesn't have gravity.
Huh. Oh yeah.
Is gravity important?
I did. Oh, there they are. Doing? Oh.
Aha. Oh, crap. What's going on? Oh. I was doing the moonwalk. What the? That still didn't do anything.
What was that?
Now then. Explode!
You know what? That's where we're heading. Sayonara.
What? What? No! Yes, sorry.
That was a failsafe I did. Because I knew you were gonna troll me, so you know. Darn it. Here it goes. Ship versus asteroid, who's gonna win?
Ooh, this is gonna hurt. No! Oh! Oh, I just... Ow! Oh
wow.
my god. You created a crater.
That was a best crater.
Crater.
Dude, that is perfect. Oh, okay, look at that.
It's a perfect circle and it's just
I know. Hey, whose crater is that? Oh, I made it myself. Let's see that ship over there.
Dang. That ram's pretty decent.
I know. Now we got a souvenir.
Alright. You wanna do round 3?
If you want to.
Let's do round 3.
Give me a second to turn off my engines. How do I? I will see you in the next round.
Now.
Okie doke. 3rd round. Let's do this.
Dun, 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 dun,
For Narnia. For
damn it! For the Empire! For the Project Father!
Wait, why am I not firing? Going up.
I turned this love. I think you know half my missiles.
I'm keeping my cockpit safe. Run with speed!
I think you're gonna miss me. Oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh!
I don't know what happened there, but it was quite laggy. I'm sorry everyone.
Missiles. 2 euros.
Rotation speed.
My tail is gone. No. My rocket launcher is not working. Oh my. What just happened?
I don't know why
How's your ship doing? Your ship is dead! I'm having some really weird firing rates.
Yeah, nothing's going on here. You have completely destroyed my... Yeah.
I think my rockets are gone. It's fire forward!
Yeah, your left side is still operational.
I'm so glad I switched cockpits. Oh my gosh! I see so forward with my
Oh god, what is going on?
You suddenly turned super fast.
I think you rammed me.
Wait, did I just ram you? No, I have rammed you.
No, you pushed me because I...
surrender.
Although my belly is still operational, so that's good. Whoa! What's going on here?
Your ship is being possessed by ghosts.
No, something's going on. I was trying to get away and all of a sudden I'm facing you again.
Do it.
Oh god.
Did I break the ram? Apparently I'm only going like 9 meters per second. You're dead? Turn off my turret. You did the same with yours.
Alright,
I
we're off.
can't turn.
Something's going on. You did take out my cockpit,
like...
but I remade it.
I can't seem to move.
Yeah, you're... I have no clue what's going on.
Well, we broke the game.
How are you getting closer?
I don't know.
You're getting closer.
I'm going to destroy you.
How? I just broke the max speed. What's the max speed at? Hey Colby.
It's 104.7 or something like that.
My speed is 176 meters per second.
What?
I broke the speed of light, man. Ram me. See if that fixes
I'm
it.
trying to, but you keep bumping me away.
So I have some force field or something?
Something. I don't know. I'm trying to whack you with my front. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
I'm perpetually falling.
I stopped you. Something like that. I don't know what's going on.
Okay.
You might want to just...
I'm still going 176.3. I'm just gonna slow down.
Hey Riley, where's the troubleshoot on the computer?
This is...
I don't
what's
know.
going on.
Hold on. I'm now going less than 700 miles per hour. Or whatever I was going, like.
My ship flattered somehow. All my thrusters check out too. What the heck? Screw you, I'm attacking.
Hey, I'm now going 0 miles per hour. And my power usage is now still 0. You haven't hit me.
I just now hit you.
I'm gonna replace my cockpit. Maybe I'll fix it. No. Oh, that wasn't an idea. That. Okay. Okay.
I'm not doing anything. What are you talking about?
Okay. We broke the game. Hold on. Exit to my menu. Yes.
Well, I don't know who won this.
I'm gonna say you, but you won 2 times out of 3.
I think
No,
you won.
Oh,
Yeah,
that?
you destroyed my cockpit.
This is the cockpit, yeah.
So basically, yeah, you won the last one.
Woo!
Alright, this time,
Okay,
next time, we are going to do small ships.
Yes, hopefully with a lot less lag and issues.
Yeah, that'll be a lot less. Stand by.